In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a big head effect in CapCut quickly and easily, even if you've never edited a video before. This is a fun effect that can make your videos look more entertaining, more eye-catching, and perfect for short-form content, memes, reactions, and creative edits. If this tutorial helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy CapCut tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open the CapCut app on your phone. Once you're inside the app, tap New Project so you can start a fresh edit. CapCut will now open your gallery, where you can choose the video clip you want to use. Select the clip you want to add the big head effect to, then tap Add or Import depending on your device. Now that your video is in the timeline, take a look at the bottom menu. You'll see several editing options, and the one you want to tap is Effects. This is where CapCut keeps all of its visual effect tools, including funny and distorted face effects. After tapping Effects, look for the Body Effects section. This category is designed for effects that change the look of people in the video, and it's the right place to find the big head effect. If you don't see it right away, scroll through the available effect categories until you find one labeled Funny Faces or something similar. CapCut sometimes changes the layout slightly, so the name may not be exactly the same on every version. Once you're in the correct category, locate the big head effect and tap on it to apply it to your video. As soon as you select it, CapCut will preview the effect so you can see how it looks on your clip. If the effect appears too strong or not placed exactly how you want, you can adjust it by moving through the timeline and checking where the effect is applied. If you want the big head effect to cover the full clip, make sure the effect duration matches your video length. You can drag the edges of the effect bar on the timeline to extend or shorten it. This is really useful if you only want the effect to appear during a certain part of the video, like a funny moment or reaction scene. At this point, you can also preview the video from the beginning to make sure everything looks smooth. If needed, you can try a different funny face effect or combine the big head effect with other CapCut tools like text, stickers, or sound effects to make the edit even more entertaining. Once you're happy with how it looks, tap Export in the top corner to save your video. Choose your preferred quality settings, then let CapCut finish rendering your edit. After that, your video with the big head effect is ready to share on TikTok, YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, or wherever you post your content. And that's it. You've now learned how to make a big head effect in CapCut in just a few simple steps. If this video was helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more easy CapCut editing tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.